Hi, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel.
Hello dear friends, today's video is a pure art project, a very quick, simple but gorgeous piece to have or to gift. Here's what you will need. I'm using a circular canvas. You could use canvas paper or just a regular watercolor paper. Artist's acrylic colors or Fevicol art colors. You will also need art masking fluid. This can be replaced by Fevicol, a pencil and eraser, and finally some fine as well as medium sized brushes. I have listed the exact shades and hues I have used in the description box. The idea is to paint full blown cosmos flowers in a valley with the blue skies in the distance. My canvas is divided into the background, the middle ground, and the foreground. The background is the sky and the horizon. The middle ground is the valley, and the extreme foreground are the flowers, mostly drawn in silhouette. The cosmos are the easiest flowers to draw. In silhouette, they have a semicircular shape, with their centers or stamens shaped like inverted cones. Draw the shapes lightly with a pencil. For anyone who finds the composition difficult, I will place a traced pattern so that you can use that on the canvas. The placement of the flowers is in a triangular composition. More flowers at the bottom, fewer at the top. Let me demonstrate the shape of the cosmos again clearly. If drawing them is difficult, I will supply the composition to trace out on the canvas to anyone who asks for it. The buds too are easy to draw. A small circle with a flattish top. The stems are delicate and the leaves are wispy, thin. Can be drawn with a single stroke. Now that the drawing is done, we will fill it in with the mask. If you are using Fevicol, apply very lightly and allow it to dry really well before you work further on the canvas. My mask is now completely dry. I will go ahead and fill in the middle ground, that is the valley, in bottle green. To create the texture, I am applying the paint with a piece of foam. I gradually combine the greens with the blues to create the sky. The greens transition to blue at the horizon, which is roughly where I had initially drawn a line across the canvas. Once this coat is dry, I can peel off the mask. Cosmoses come in several colors, but I mostly love them in yellow with a hint of orange. Now fill in the yellow and then use orange and ochre to fill in the details. This includes the stamens. They give depth to the flowers. For the stems and leaves, I am using green mixed with bright yellow to create a lime green. It will stand out against the bottle green of the valley. Almost done now. It just remains for me to put in my initials, and oh yes, I forgot, some hint of more flowers in the distance. All done and ready to be placed on its little stand. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.